Okay, so today I have a 2019 Acura RDX remote. We're going to replace the battery in it, okay? Now your first step is going to be, you're going to want to release the key from the remote battery. And we're just going to press the switch over to the left. And we're going to pull the key out. Your next step now is going to be to separate this case, okay? Now you can use the key to actually pry the case and twist it, separate the case, but I like to use a small flathead screwdriver. So what I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver because it just feels a little better. But the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to show you the technique that I'm going to use to split the case open. Okay, so there's this little round thing here, and I just kind of pry it open against that. Okay, so once you get this thing cracked open, don't get too crazy with it because the buttons do come loose. Okay, so we want to keep those kind of under control. So kind of open it up like this. Be very, very careful. Okay, so as you can see, you can just stick the back part of it over here. But right here is the battery. It's CR 2032. That's the size battery. I'll leave a link down in the description box that takes you to Amazon, where you can pick up a 5-pack of these batteries for like $5. So check that out if you need a new battery, if you haven't bought one yet. But just take note that the positive side of the battery is facing towards you. And we're just going to pry it out using my little flathead screwdriver. And while I'm doing that, I'm kind of holding this thing together because I don't want it to fall apart in my hand. Again, the buttons will come loose. This piece right here will come loose. So I'm just kind of holding everything together to make my life easier when putting it back together. But yeah, there we go. We just pried the battery back out. And you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. See how loose these buttons have gotten since I've taken this thing apart. So I'm holding it together. Anyhow, you just get your new battery and you can just slide it right in. I slide it in right here to the left, just pop it right back in, and then get the back half and just smush it all together. And just clip all back together, and I'll just put the key back in and I'm done. Okay, so if this video was helpful, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button, and please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.